I built my house in the Philippines.
Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. That sun is right in my grill, all up in my grill. Today is Saturday, pretty exciting day for us. We're finally getting the bottom half of the kitchen cabinets installed. It took the kitchen cabinet guy about 10 days to fabricate the cabinets, so I'll show you that in a minute. Also, while they're working, I'll just show you a couple things. Let's walk out here real quick. Been doing some work out here. It's extremely hot in the Philippines, so usually you work in the morning. Well, I just don't get up that early, so I don't get a chance to work in the morning, but then you work in the afternoon about 4 o'clock. It'll really start to cool off. So what I did out here, I don't know if you remember, if you've seen any of the previous videos, when they built the house, they stored all their trash out here. Tons of like those bags, white bags. I think they were concrete bags or something. And then tons of tile. Had tons of broken tile, and there was tons of tile all down here, trash all around here. So I cleaned up all this. All the good tile, decent sized tile I kept, and then the smaller pieces, I just smashed them up and used them as fill over here, where I'll show you in a second. So I cleaned up all these tiles. Then I walked in a little bit and covered under all the brush was like 6 more piles of tiles. So I was like, man, I hate to waste all these tiles. So I went and talked to went down, talked to the neighbor, said, hey, do you guys want these, broken tiles? You could use them as countertops or flooring, or, pretty much anything. They're very resourceful. Filipinos are very resourceful. So they said, yeah, we'll take the tiles. And for giving me the tiles, they actually helped me clean up all this area, and we burnt a lot of trash. So that looks a lot nicer. Also, this is the access road, which goes up to the main road. Can't really drive too far, but people do walk on here. So I've been cleaning this because there was a lot of trash and dirt piled up here. So I actually used that fill, and I took the rocks up and trying to fix the driveway here. Let me get in the shade, or else my phone's gonna overheat. Also here, when they installed this locking mechanism, they drilled in and it cracked that concrete. So a big chunk of concrete fell. So I've been putting concrete putty to kind of fix that, because we're going to be painting this wall pretty soon, within a few weeks, maybe next month, hopefully. Christine has been, her sister and brother have been helping us. So we took all that dirt and filled this section here, and my mother-in-law gave us a bunch of plants. Filipinos love their plants, so we turned this into like a garden here. I think it looks pretty nice. Also got some plants around the house. I've been working in the yard when it's not too hot, but like I said, you really only get a couple hours a day to work because it's just extremely hot. I need to get all this gravel. You see a pile right there. Get all this gravel out of the yard and then put it down in the driveway. Also in the back side of the house, I'll show you something real quick. You see like these, that's concrete. I need to bust that up and get that out of there. On the back side, I finally got that big stump out of there. Got it all cut up to pieces and ripped it out of there and then covered it up with soil. Then I found this stump over here. So I've been hacking away at it with a axe. You can see that's all from that stump. So we'll get that out of there. I forgot to show you guys, I did end up getting Christine the Christmas outdoor furniture set. And we got this from City Hardware and it was on sale. So we got the table, the couch, 2 chairs, and a little center table. When I was at City Hardware, the one on the floor had paint on it, and I wanted to make sure that I got new stuff. And would you believe, when this table came, it had a little spot of paint, and I tried to clean it with just rough sandpaper, and kind of took a little bit of the color away from there. So I need to fix that with something, maybe the paint marker that I have. But all right, still waiting on the cabinet guys. Check this out, guys. We got our cabinets. They're installing them now. Very nice. We went with the small, medium, large drawers for this side. And then there'll be swing doors on that side. So we'll let them install that and we'll see how it turns out. So you see the frame there. So the gas tank will be in there. That should be the trash, and then under the sink, and then those will be our drawers. And then we'll be getting the tops, hopefully in a couple weeks. All right, guys, let's see the finished project. I do have to say that these guys are really good. They do really good work. Can't really blame them for the speed. It is holidays, and they became extremely busy. So I don't blame them for that. So the only thing we're waiting on is the top cabinet. So I will show you what has been done today. They did all the bottoms. Let me zoom out here. They did this the other day. This was our island. You see here, really nice, rolls really nice. So here is that's our gas for our stove. So got a little bit of room in there. Maybe we can get some shelves. They put this is for the trash can. And then this is the sink. So we got some space, and then it goes into the corner there. So again, maybe we can get some shelves later on. The shelves were not included in the price. Then we got these 6 drawers, and I'm actually surprised. These are slow close. So you can see how that closes, and it actually latches a little bit to pull it out. So that's really neat. So we got the small, medium, and then the large. And then the same on that side. So there you have it. He said about 2 weeks to get all the top cabinets made. And then the last thing we need would be the dividers for the bathroom. So it's coming along, almost done. Christine will be happy. She's got room to put utensils and whatever. You know how women like to store stuff to keep it out of the out of the way. Last thing I wanted to show you, this fan here. We got this fan from S&R. Really cool fan. Doesn't really have a name brand. It just says Turbo. This thing was like $100. And swings left and right, up and down, basically like a whole area. So very nice. I usually use it in the bedroom, but we had to have the doors and windows open while they were working. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, peace.